Welcome to Singalo Kids. Let's play.
Can you guess all 10 farm animals? Let's see how many you know. Who's this? It's a cow! Moo! Can you guess? It's a pig! Oink, oink! Who's this? It's a horse! Neigh! What animal is this? It's a chicken! Cluck, cluck! Look carefully! It's a sheep! Bah! Fantastic! You're halfway there! 5 more animals to go! Who's this? It's a duck! Quack, quack! Who's this? It's a goat! Ma! Look carefully! It's a donkey! Hee-haw! Who's this? It's a rabbit! Hop, hop! This is the last one! Can you guess? It's a rooster! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Amazing! You guessed the farm animals! Which one was your favorite? Subscribe to Singalo Kids! And let's play again soon! Bye for now!